If weeknight dinners keep missing deadlines, it's time to hire a pot with hustle. In our video to the best pressure cookers, we test speed, safety, and set and forget smarts, so you can turn tough cuts tender and beans obedient. From push-button multi-cookers to stovetop powerhouses, we'll highlight models that sear, steam, and sauté without drama. Expect clear controls, dependable seals, and cleanup that doesn't require a saga. Ready to reclaim your evenings? Lock the lid, press start, and taste punctuality. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Cosori 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker, our pick for best budget pressure cooker. If you want a pressure cooker that saves money without skimping on magic, the Cosori 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker is your new weeknight hero. This 6-quart stainless steel workhorse pairs a sleek metallic silver finish with touch controls and an 1100-watt engine, so dinner gets moving fast. And you still get to take the credit. You get true multitasking power. 9 core cooking functions with 13 handy presets, covering pressure cook, rice, steam, sterilize, oatmeal porridge, stew broth, bean grain, meat poultry, slow cook, sauté, ferment, sous vide, and keep warm. Venting is refreshingly drama-free. The seal vent button sits away from the release valve, and the 30-degree backward-angled steam design keeps your hands out of the hot zone. A real-time progress bar on the display lets you check where you are at a glance. No guesswork, just good timing. Cleanup? Blissfully easy. The fingerprint-resistant housing shrugs off smudges. A 0.5-inch widened pot gap reduces drips, and the lid, inner pot, and accessories are dishwasher safe. The ceramic bisphenol A-free nonstick aluminum pot resists sticking, so your sauces cling to the pasta, not the pan. Lid locking is simple. Align the orange dot on the lid with the one on the base and twist clockwise. Click, done. And with 12 built-in safety features, including a double-layer anti-scalding lid and overheat protection, you cook with confidence every time. From fast weeknight meals to weekend batch cooking, this budget-friendly multi-cooker stretches your time, your ingredients, and your creativity. You bring the cravings. The Cosori handles the how. Number 4. Instant Pot Duo, our pick for best small capacity pressure cooker. If your kitchen is short on space but big on cravings, the Instant Pot Duo is your tiny titan. You get 7 essentials in one: pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, make rice, whip up yogurt, or just keep dinner warm until everyone finally shows up. With 11 one-touch smart programs, you tap, it cooks. Soups, stews, and even cakes that make you look suspiciously professional. You'll love how fast it is, up to 70% quicker than slow cook methods, so weeknights feel less like a race and more like a win. The stainless steel inner pot with a tri-ply bottom sears and sautés like a pro, so flavors hit harder and textures land just right. Cleanup? Toss the dishwasher safe lid and inner pot in and call it a night. No chore charts required. Sized perfectly for singles, couples, dorms, or side dish duty, this compact 3-quart workhorse still brings the muscle. 700 watts of power in an 8.2-pound frame you can easily move or store. The touch controls are intuitive. The chrome matte finish looks sharp on any counter, and the results taste like you had all day. Small footprint, big flavor, zero fuss. That's your best small capacity pressure cooker, doing more so you can do less. Still searching for the perfect pressure cooker? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. T-fal Clipso, our pick for best one-hand lock stovetop pressure cooker. If you want weeknight speed without babying another gadget, the T-fal Clipso has your back and only needs one hand to lock and roll. Its clever one-hand locking lid snaps shut securely, so you get that satisfying click and serious peace of mind before the heat turns up. Built from brushed stainless steel in a sleek silver finish, it's tough, long-lasting, and dishwasher safe because you're cooking dinner, not negotiating with a sink. The 6.3 quart capacity is spot on for family meals or big batch prep, and the included steam basket, stand, and recipe booklet make it ridiculously easy to go from what's for dinner to how is it ready already. On the stove, gas, electric, or induction, the Clipso powers through stews, beans, risottos, and braises up to 70% faster than standard methods, helping you keep nutrients in your food and time in your evening. Precision is baked in. The design keeps pressure steady, so textures land where you want them. Fork tender meats, silky soups, perfectly cooked grains. And with multiple built-in safety features, you can focus on flavor, not fretting. At 7.7 pounds, it feels solid without being a workout to lift. Operation is manual, which means you're in control of the heat and timing. And the results. Fast, healthy, and family-sized, the T-fal Clipso is the one-hand lock pressure cooker that actually simplifies your life and elevates your dinner. Number 2, Our Place Dream Cooker, our pick for best ceramic non-stick pressure cooker. If weeknights feel like a juggling act, the Our Place Dream Cooker puts dinner back on easy mode. You get 4 no-drama ways to cook: pressure cook, slow cook, sear saute, and keep warm. So you can braise, blitz, or baby a recipe without babysitting. With pressure mode, meals are ready up to 80% faster than the old-fashioned route, which means less waiting and more eating. The magic happens in a toxin-free ceramic non-stick inner pot that releases food beautifully and cleans up without a soaking session. Pair that with hands-free steam release and automatic keep warm, and you've got dinner that basically finishes itself while you wrangle the rest of life. Power? Covered. The 1200-watt heater brings the heat quickly, while the tailored control panel lets you dial in time, temperature, and mode. No cluttered presets, no guesswork. You're in control with touch simplicity and manual precision when you want it. The 6-quart size is the sweet spot for family meals, meal prep, or that just one more bowl moment. The sleek steam color and non-stick finish look good on your counter and even better when you serve up fall-apart short ribs, creamy risotto, or a set-and-forget stew. Fast, friendly, and ridiculously easy to clean. The Dream Cooker turns your kitchen into the place where great food and your schedule finally get along. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Instant Pot Pro, our pick for best pressure cooker overall. If dinner always sneaks up on you, the Instant Pot Pro has your back and your weeknights. This 6-quart matte black stainless steel workhorse is your 10-in-1 solution. Pressure cook, slow cook, sous vide, saute, sterilize, make yogurt and rice, bake, steam, or just keep things warm until everyone finally sits down. With 28 customizable smart programs, you tap a button, drop the stress, and still take the credit. You'll feel the speed right away. It preheats up to 20% faster and cooks as much as 70% faster than traditional slow methods, so stew o'clock can actually be tonight. The gentle steam release switch with a diffusing cover makes venting calm and controlled. No jump scares, just quiet confidence. Touch controls keep things simple, while the programmable settings remember how you like your chili, biryani, or cheesecake. Feeding a crew? The family-sized 6-quart pot turns out up to 6 servings, perfect for meal prep, batch cooking, or seconds for the hungry one who never eats much. Cleanup is gloriously low drama. Both the lid and inner pot are dishwasher safe, so the only thing you'll be soaking is the compliments. Power comes by way of a 1200-watt, 120-volt 60Hz engine, wrapped in a sleek, countertop-worthy design. Translation: you get fast, flavorful results without babysitting a thing. Set it, forget it, and serve like a pro. Because with Instant Pot, you are one. Woo! We made it! That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best pressure cookers. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also let us know in the comments which pressure cooker you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.